Joining us now is somebody everybody knows, Marvin Musquin. Marvin, welcome to MXTV, welcome back.
Yeah, thank you.
Marvin, first up, let's ask you a viewer's question from Jeremy. He's asked, what's the difference between the heat, the competition and the lifestyle with the States and Europe?
Well, there's so many things. Obviously, I love it here because we have the Supercross series and the Motocross series. And it's the biggest championship Supercross in the world. And in Europe, you have a few Supercross races, but it's mainly the MXGP World Championship.
Lifestyle-wise, much of a difference for you, especially from France to here? I know the food's a big difference, but you would do a lot of cooking at home, I'd imagine.
Yes, exactly. Matilda is really taking care of me on the diet and making sure I eat the right thing and getting ready for each day, practicing and going to the races. So we got really acclimated to, obviously, the country now, and with the shopping, food and lifestyle, and obviously it's all about motocross and waking up and doing the cardio, going to the track and doing the work. So besides motocross, obviously we don't do much, but we're loving it now right now, and we obviously travel a lot and we race every single weekend and not much weekends off.
Well, with that, what do you prefer, Supercross or motocross?
To be honest, it's hard to really pick Supercross or motocross. I kind of want to say Supercross, but you race 17 rounds Supercross, so that's a long championship. Yeah. Then you move to outdoor and you have 12. So yeah, you're happy when you move out to outdoors, and then you're happy when you get back to Supercross. So it's good to mix it up.
And here comes Marvin Musquin.
If there was a young rider out there, what's the best advice you could give a youngster?
Well, I feel like today you got to be really focused on what you're doing, and I know now it's difficult, especially when you started really young. Unfortunately, yeah, it's hard to have fun outside, you know what I mean, dirt bikes. Yeah. And you really have to be focused on your program, have a strong program, do the cardio, do the work, do your motos, and practice technique and stuff. And I feel like, yeah, when I was young, I was only thinking about dirt bikes and also girls, you know what I mean? It's a good thing I met Matilda. I was 14 years old, and I knew that was the one, and I fell in love. So I was not distracted, you know? So that's also one thing that is tough when you're young. Obviously, you want to have fun and do the other things, but yeah, you got to put in so much work because everybody works really hard, and then the level now is getting really high. And when I keep on watching the European Champions to try to see who's coming up, and it's nice. It's nice to see the progress of those younger kids, and hopefully they make it to what they dream of, you know?
Marvin, thank you very much for your time, mate. I appreciate it.
Thank you, guys.